Hello, my name is Ángel Eduardo Duran Garita. In this video, I will be talking about an academic paper titled A Review of Night Physics Engines for Reinforcement Learning Research. It was written by Michelle Kaup, Cornelius Wald, Heiring Wang, Julius Meyer, and Elia Bruni for Osnabrück University in Germany. This paper gives you a complete overview of the most popular simulation engines used in reinforcement learning, or RL, and help researchers choose the best tools to create realistic training environments for intelligence agents. Reinforcement learning is one of the most exciting areas of artificial intelligence. It focuses on how agents of virtual entities learning to make decisions by interacting with their every one moment and receiving reward of penalties. But for agents to learn it effectively, they need realistic and accurate simulation of the physics world. That's where physics engines become essential. In this study, the authors review 9 major engines: Brax, Chrono, Gazebo, Mujoko, Ode, Pysichs, Pysichs, Unity, and Weebots. They evaluate each one in their terms of popularity, ability, features, usability, and performance, especially in the context of the multi-agent reinforcement learning where several agents interact and learn together. To carry out this review, the research used two main methods. The first, a popularity analysis looking at how many scientific papers cited each engine, and second, a feature analysis comparing engines by criteria such as documentation, quality, community support, ease of the creating 3D models, and environments. Sensor ability, who will they integrate with RL frameworks like OpenAI Gym. According to their results, Mujoko stands out as the leading engine in reinforcement learning research. It's powerful, flexible, and capable of simulate complex physical interaction, which is why it's used by leading labs like Google DeepMind and OpenAI. However, its documentation can be difficult to navigate, and beginners might find it challenging to use. PyBudget is another popular open source engine. It's Python friendly and easier to use than Mujoko, but it performs worse in the terms of speed and accuracy. Unity, in the other hand, it's extremely user-friendly and great for creating visually rich environments. It's especially good for video games like RL scenarios, but is strongly with large-scale simulation and parallel computing. Gazebo and Weebots are both widely used in robotic search. They are perfect for simulation realistic robotic systems but are less suitable for multi-agent reinforcement learning. Pysichs used in NVIDIA Isaac Gym provides high-speed GPU based simulation offering excellent performance, though it can be more difficult custom. The authors conclude that Muyuko remains the dominant framework because it provides the best combination of performance and realism, even if it's not the easiest to use. In summary, this review provides valuable guidance for a young working in reinforcement learning.